Now we're going to create the ActionScript code that tells us what slide we're on out of the number of total slides. Go above your next pick function, type a single line comment, and call it picture counter function. I'm going to select that, copy it, press enter a few times, paste it, type the word end before it, and in the middle, and press enter a few times, get some space. I'm going to type function space pick counter, open and close parenthesis, colon, void, enter, open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, enter. Now I'm going to reference my dynamic text field. The field is called txt underscore slide number. Type that in, capital N, dot text, space equals space, open quotes, type picture, number, space, close quotes, plus, space, open parenthesis, current pick, space, plus, space, 1, close parenthesis, space, plus, space, open quote, space, out, space, of, space, close quote, space, plus, space, number, open parenthesis, my, capital L, capital V, dot, total picks, close parenthesis, semicolon. This line of text might look super crazy, but let me explain it real quick. This part right here is just saying the dynamic text field is going to display the text after the equal sign. It's going to say picture number, space, the current pick plus 1. We're doing the plus 1 to compensate for starting with 0 as our first one, so it doesn't say 0 out of 6. This is in parentheses, so Flash doesn't mistake this plus as of this plus. It's adding 1 to this number. And out of plus. Remember, this number action converts this string into a number. Alright. Now after the end picture counter function, we're going to do another onload function. So type my, capital L, capital V, dot onload with capital L, space equals space, function, open parenthesis, p underscore success, colon, boolean with capital B, close parenthesis, colon, void with capital V, enter, open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, enter. I'm going to type if, open parenthesis, p underscore success, enter, open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, enter. Now, if this variable is finished loading, I'm going to have it run this function and display this text. So I'm just going to run the function in the if statement. So I'm going to type pick counter, capital C for counter, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. And if it doesn't work, I'm going to type the else statement. You go to the close bracket of the if statement and press enter. Type else, enter, open bracket, enter, close bracket, up arrow, enter. txt underscore slide number with capital N dot text space equals space open quotes error loading file close quote semicolon. So if the variable is loaded all the way, it will display the proper number in the text field. If it's not loaded properly, it will display this error message. I'm going to copy this function. There's one more thing we have to do. We have to add it to our buttons. So scroll down to your button actions. After the next pick function, press enter. Paste the pick counter function, and do that with your back button as well. Test the movie, and behold, picture number 1 out of 6, 2 out of 6, 3 out of 6, and so on and so forth. Now, isn't that sweet? I just want to take a second to congratulate you for going through this whole crazy slideshow session. But now you have the skills to create a slideshow that's completely dynamic, where your client can add as many slides as they want, as much information as they want, without you having to do anything in Flash, or without them having to do anything in Flash. They'll display the appropriate number of pictures, display information text, and display the slides properly, without any work in Flash. Good job.